Hey, if Tried and I keep doing our little 1% one-upping each other challenge thing, one of us might be Tidal Wave eventually. Who knows? Just give us about, like, 3 years. $56, I'll take it. I'll take it. That's a new best. I will take it. I'll take it. I should not have died there, but that's fine. It's a new best. You know I'll take that. You know I'll take that. I'll take that. That's good. 56. Let me update the stream title. Oh, thank you. New best. I'll take that. I'll take that. I know we can do better, though. I'm still going to keep going for sure. Oh, yeah. New best. Heck yeah, bro. That felt good. I didn't die to anything stupid. I mean, that straight fly is a little bit difficult, to be fair. So I'm not upset I died there. You know what I'm saying? I mean, of course, I would have loved to get farther, but I think that's a totally reasonable death. There's a lot of stupid things I could have died to. I'm glad that, of all things, it was the straight fly. I mean, that straight fly is just inherently hard. So I'm not even mad about that.